Welcome to Dr. Dolittle Educational Pet Series. Canine Parainfluenza Virus is a highly contagious respiratory virus and a leading cause of kennel cough in dogs. It spreads through airborne droplets from coughing and sneezing, especially in crowded areas like kennels or dog parks. The virus attacks the upper respiratory tract, causing a dry, hacking cough, nasal discharge, fever, and lethargy. While not usually fatal, it can lead to secondary bacterial infections, especially in puppies or immunocompromised dogs. Vaccination, often given as part of the DHPPL combination, significantly reduces transmission and severity. Prevention is key to stopping the spread. Act early, protect their life with timely immunization. Contact us for available offers and packages.